Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to build this butterfly knife in Lego. It's fully Lego Technic and it's super simple to build. Pretty cool. It not will destroy when it falls. Yeah. So this is the tutorial of it. So here's the pieces you need. You see? Yeah. So we start building it. Yeah. And put this over here. And this black here. So. And take this to black with 3 holes in. Put this in there and this in there, and put this on here. You see? And put this on the sole. So here you have it, your Lego butterfly knife. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.